All right, we are making white beans and rice. This is something that I just made up. So you got to stay tuned to the end to see how everything comes together. I was just out grocery shopping and I seen these spicy Italian sausage on sale for $3.99. So I was like, let me go ahead and try something. And so I thought about red beans and rice, but then I saw the cannellini beans and said, let's do white beans and rice. So for our rice, we do 1 cup water, 1 cup beef broth. You can use chicken broth or vegetable broth, but just to give the rice a little bit more flavor. Going with a little bit of butter, probably like a tablespoon of butter. And then we're gonna go in with some lime juice and a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. And this just gives your rice a ton of flavor, guys. It's better than just making plain white rice, you know. And then we're gonna put some minced garlic in there as well. All right, now we're going to a cup of rice. So it's always 2 to 1 when you're doing like white long grain rice. 2 cups of liquid, 1 cup of rice. So we just mix that up really good. And we're going to season this with a little select seasoning salt. You can use regular salt if you like, but I just like having the additional seasonings that come with a seasoning salt. You don't want to go crazy. You don't want your rice to be salty, but you know, you do want to give it a little bit more flavor. All right, now you just go ahead and bring that back up to a boil. Go ahead and put your lid on and reduce the heat. Let that simmer for about 15 minutes. And we're gonna go on our other pan here with a little bit of oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, olive oil, whichever oil you like. And then a little bit of butter. I'm using, I can't believe it's not butter just because of the cholesterol. I don't want as much cholesterol. And if you want to make this vegan, like if you don't want to use actual like turkey meat, you want to use like vegan sausage or something, that's the way to keep this vegan. All right, a little bit of white wine goes into the pan. Now we go in with our tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions. And we want to make sure that we season this a little bit, guys, to make sure that every single part of our food has flavor. So I'm going to throw some Italian seasoning on there, as well as a few other seasonings as well. I don't really like to tell people how to season their food. I mean, I feel like you season to your taste. If you cannot cook and you don't know how to season at all, you can kind of watch what I'm doing. And if you want more information, you can comment below and say, hey, teach me how to season. And then I can give you some tips and pointers on how to do so. But everybody has their own different way of seasoning things they like to use. So I don't really like to tell people how to season their food. I just like to give you the process and give you ideas that you can use while you're cooking. So while I was doing that, go ahead with a little bit of minced garlic as well. And let that wine kind of cook off a little bit. And now we're going to go in with that spicy Italian sausage I talked about in the beginning of the video. And I've cut them. I kept the casing going because I didn't want to crumble it up. But I cut them into little chunks. And they look delicious. They're going to come out really, really, really good like this, guys. And you just want to make sure that everything is cooking evenly, so you spread it out. And then just kind of let it go for a little bit. All right, now we've added our cannellini beans. I just use canned beans, guys. You don't have to soak beans and do all that. You can if you want to, but you know, we're making this process simple and easy, and it's still going to taste delicious. Like I said, I'm using some steakhouse seasoning on my beans. I'm using a little bit of taco seasoning. I would rather have just used like chili powder and cumin, but I couldn't find any cumin in my cabinet, so I ended up having to use this taco seasoning that has cumin in it and has all of the other flavors I want to have in it as well. Like I said, I don't tell you guys how to season. Like, I season my way. It always comes out good for me. You can follow this recipe and it's going to work just great. But if you want to change it up, I'm all for that, because creative cooking is my thing. All right, so like I said, a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of few other seasonings as well, like these garlic and herb seasoning. I like these kind of seasonings because they don't have salt in them. So you're going to get all the flavor from the seasonings that's in the seasoning without worrying about your food being too salty. Right, you just mix that all together. As you can see, this is already starting to look really, really good. So at this step right here, you want to taste this to see exactly what you need. So after I tasted it here, I noticed that I needed a little bit of brown sugar and just a touch of tomato paste. So I added those things, and now we're ready to eat, guys. Look at our rice, guys. It came out perfect. Now we just gonna plate it up, eat, and enjoy. If you want more recipes, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. If you got any questions, make sure you comment below, let us know. Peace from Eat and Drink TV.